Dirt bikes have long suspension travel, high ground clearance, and knobby tires to facilitate off-road use. They are lighter and have smaller engines than traditional street bikes, making them suitable for new riders. Here are the best beginner dirt bikes you can buy. Featuring a steel aluminum composite frame, the KTM Freeride E-XC is light and easy to maneuver on any terrain. The powerful and striking Gas EC300 comes up next. The bike's adjustable handlebar allows it to accommodate riders of all heights. Next up is the Gas EC250, a less potent version of the EC300. The bike's lightweight chassis allows riders to manipulate the power as they please. Featuring a light and nimble body and a powerful engine, the Yamaha WR450F is easy to use in any terrain. Furthermore, unlike other bikes in this list, the Yamaha features a disc spring clutch setup, which lowers weight and improves compactness. The Beta 200RR's lightweight frame, agile suspension, dual sport tires, and electric start make it ideal for a novice rider. Despite the TM Racing MX125's tall seat height, it is highly adjustable and can accommodate most beginner riders. Also, beginners should love the bike's emphasis on safety. The technologically advanced Beta RR125 2T is also a great option for novices. The bike has excellent weight distribution and a potent 125cc motor. Honda's CRF250R has a ton of features that are friendly to beginners. It has a launch control system, Brembo brakes with incredible stopping power, a lightweight chassis, and adjustable suspension. Beginners love the Honda CRF250X due to its easy-to-handle nature and bulletproof reliability. It keeps running regardless of the terrain. Despite having a high-displacement engine, the Suzuki DRZ400S is beginner-friendly. The engine has a forgiving power band, allowing novices to ease into riding without feeling overwhelmed. The Yamaha YZ125's lightweight frame, agile suspension, and impressive stopping power make it an excellent choice for beginners. Honda's CRF150R is an ideal entry-level bike thanks to its lightweight design and cheap price. An added reason for choosing Honda bikes is that they are environmentally friendly. The Kawasaki KX112 is a powerful bike with dimensions favorable to shorter riders and kids. It is also cheap considering the features it offers. The Kawasaki KX100 is significantly more affordable than the KX112 because it has a less powerful engine. The less potent KX100 is easier to control than the KX112, making it more attractive to novices. The Yamaha TTR125LE is cheap, fast, and easy to handle. The 124cc engine provides power for speedy acceleration. The finely calibrated suspension facilitates handling, and the brakes provide stopping power. Considering Yamaha's impressive reliability, the TTR125LE is built to last.